Hello everybody, it's Brittany, and I'm gonna do just a really quick project for you guys. I am trying out a new camera angle to hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing a little bit better. Now, the problem is I do not have my computer up because the Wi-Fi is not working out in the shop, so I cannot see any comments. So if you would like to leave comments still, that would be great. If you would like to share, that'd be great. I will just come back and I will take a look at all of those afterwards. And I'm gonna make this kind of quick because I'm running on data and we're almost out. So I've already put on my transfers. These are the Chalk Couture transfers. They're reusable, they're sticky. I can wash them when I'm done and reuse them. And I cut out, these are just blocks that I cut out from, I got them at Home Depot. And I think they're 2x4s. I just cut them and then I used acrylic paint and a baby wipe to get the kind of the stain effect. And I love burgundy, so that's what I've used. So I'm gonna use my paste. I'm gonna mix it up just a little bit. And I hope you guys can see this okay because I can't see my screen, so I'm kind of just guessing. So we're just gonna screen that on there. And then once we're done with this, I have some twine and some little flowers that I'm gonna add to it. You can also make these reversible. So like if you wanted to for Valentine's Day, you could make the front side say home, and then you can make the back side say love or something like that. Be super cute. If you're hopping on here, if you're watching live, if you could comment live. If you're watching on replay, just comment replay. And I will make sure that I go through and read comments afterwards. I probably should have just done a couple of these at a time. I'm just gonna peel it off like that. There's my H. There's the O. And I did not sand these blocks before I painted them, so they might be a little bit rough. So I got a little bit of bleeding on this H, but that's actually not bad at all. So I can go back in there with an X-Acto knife or something and clean that up. And I got a little bit there. All right. So to clean my transfers, I'm just sticking them over here in a pan and I'm just spraying it with a bottle of water. And then once I'm done, I will wash them. So I've got just a little bit there. You can also take a Clorox wipe if you get any bleeds. So I'm just using my fingernail like that. So I've got my home. So I'm going to add some twine. And I'm just going to put a little bit on the top. And I have my Ryobi awesome glue gun. And I'm gonna glue, since I'm not making these ones reversible, I'm gonna put the glue on the back. And this glue gun gets hot. I have definitely figured that out. Oops. And it's kind of warm in my shop. I'm figuring out in the summer, the hot glue takes a little bit longer to dry. So I'm just gonna cut this. Put that there. So there's one. And I suppose you could do them like offsetting. So if you wanted to do the M up here and put the burlap on the bottom, you could. It's kind of up to you. I'm actually gonna flip all these over. The chalk paste dries super quick. So you don't have to worry about waiting for it to dry forever. The chalk paste is water soluble, so you can get it on your hands. You can get it on pretty much anything and it'll wash off. Ah. I got hot glue everywhere. Gotta hold that down. And I'm super excited because on Thursday I am heading to Salt Lake City for the first annual Chalk Couture convention. And we're gonna get all sorts of sneak peeks as to what's coming. The company just launched July 1st of last year. So it's still pretty, ouch, hot, 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 hot. That was hot. Just stuck my finger in it. So it's still a pretty new company. They're still considered ground floor. So if you're interested in the Chalk Couture products, let me know because they're amazing. So much fun, so easy to use. You do not have to be crafty. Even my 4-year-old can do it. And if he can do it, so can you. This is probably the best glue gun I have ever seen in my life. So it runs on the Ryobi 1 batteries, which is awesome because our drill, my brad nailer, pretty much everything is Ryobi 1. And no, I'm not sponsored by them or anything. I just really like their stuff. This one, it kind of crossed over a little bit, but that's okay. There we go. You can crisscross them or do them however you want. I'm gonna set this up because I don't want them to, hope you guys can still see that. I don't want them to glue themselves to the table. I hope everyone's having a good week so far. We've got lots going on here this week. Okay. Once I have this burlap added, I'm just gonna add some cute little flowers. These are paper flowers. I'm gonna use my squeegee. There we go. Come on. Oops. That one came undone. Usually this dries instantaneously, but it's like 85 degrees in here, so there we go. And you can always add more hot glue if you need to. So we've got those. These are paper flowers that I got at, I think, Hobby Lobby, if I remember right. And they had, I mean, these ones, there's like so much detail in them. They're so cute and they're glittery. And then they've got a little bit more simpler ones. So you could add just one to each one, like this big one, I'll probably put on a corner like that. And we'll kind of mix it up a little bit. Maybe do it that way. I don't know. Maybe I'll put one in the middle. I'll put these in the middle. There. Something like that. Isn't that cute? So I'm just going to hot glue again. Super quick, super easy project. I would say from start to finish, including the cutting of the blocks and this, the painting of the blocks, maybe 20, 30 minutes. This part, I don't know, we've been going for what, like 7 minutes, 8 minutes, I don't know. I can't see my camera. So I hope you guys are still on there. I hope I didn't like get kicked off. There we go. Gotta get all those little stringies off there. So cute. You could always take sandpaper to it and distress them a little bit. I'll set them up. I don't know if you guys can still see that. But these would be really cute for like a mantle or something like that. Or like an entryway table. And you can, you know, obviously you can customize them to whatever colors you want. You can decorate them with whatever you want. Burlap flowers would be really cute too. So, and you can make them reversible, like I said. So if you wanted to have something on the back side to make it multifunctional. You could totally do that. So, hope you guys enjoy my super quick little project tonight. And I will hopefully see you guys from Chalk Couture Convention this weekend. I'm gonna try and tune in live a couple times. And yeah, I'm excited. Got lots going on. So thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you later. Bye.